Taste the States. Unveiling the best American recipes. The United States of America is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, and its food reflects that diversity. From New England's lobster rolls to Texas's barbecue, there's no shortage of tasty American dishes to try. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who loves to eat, this video is for you. We've compiled a list of some of the best American recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to make. These recipes are perfect for those who want to try new things, impress their friends and family, or simply satisfy their cravings. So join us on a culinary journey across the United States as we unveil some of the most mouth-watering recipes from every corner of the country. 1. Introduction to American cuisine and its diverse influences. American cuisine is a melting pot of flavors and influences, reflecting the diverse cultural heritage that makes up the United States. From the hearty comfort foods of the Midwest to the bold and spicy dishes of the South, American cuisine offers a wide range of flavors and culinary traditions. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in regional American cuisine. Chefs and food enthusiasts alike are exploring the unique flavors and techniques from different states, showcasing the culinary diversity within the country. From lobster rolls in Maine to deep dish pizza in Chicago, each region has its own signature dishes that are celebrated and cherished. In this blog series, we will delve into the rich culinary heritage of America, uncovering the best recipes from coast to coast. From classic comfort foods to innovative fusion dishes, we will take you on a culinary journey across the United States. So, get ready to taste the states and discover the incredible flavors that American cuisine has to offer. 2. Classic American recipes to try at home. When it comes to American cuisine, there are certain classic recipes that have become iconic symbols of the nation's culinary heritage. These dishes are not only delicious but also represent the rich and diverse flavors found across the United States. If you are eager to embark on a culinary journey and bring a taste of America into your own kitchen, here are some classic American recipes you should definitely try at home. 1. Hamburger. No list of American recipes would be complete without mentioning the beloved hamburger. This quintessential American dish is a juicy beef patty served in a soft bun, topped with various condiments and garnishes. Whether you prefer it with cheese, bacon, or a classic combination of lettuce, tomato, and pickles, the hamburger is a versatile and satisfying option for any meal. 2. Apple pie. Apple pie is often referred to as the all-American dessert. With its flaky crust and sweet, cinnamon-spiced apple filling, it has become a symbol of American tradition and hospitality. Baking your own apple pie from scratch will fill your home with a delightful aroma and leave your taste buds craving for more. 3. Fried chicken. Fried chicken is a staple of Southern cuisine and has gained popularity throughout the entire country. The secret to achieving the perfect crispy, golden brown crust lies in a well-seasoned buttermilk marinade and a flavorful coating of flour or breadcrumbs. Served with mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and a side of biscuits, fried chicken is comfort food at its finest. 4. Clam chowder. Originating from the New England region, clam chowder is a creamy and hearty soup made with clams, potatoes, onions, and sometimes bacon. This comforting dish is best enjoyed on a chilly day and showcases the bounty of seafood found along the Atlantic coast. 5. Barbecue ribs. Barbecue is deeply rooted in American cuisine, and ribs are a true barbecue favorite. Whether you prefer them smothered in a tangy tomato-based sauce or a sweet and sticky glaze, slow-cooked barbecue ribs are guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. The meat becomes tender, flavorful, and falls off the bone, making every bite a succulent delight. By exploring these classic American recipes in your own kitchen, you can experience the diverse flavors and culinary traditions that have shaped American cuisine. So put on your apron, grab your ingredients, and get ready to savor the tastes of the states with these delicious dishes. Conclusion and final thoughts on exploring American cuisine. In conclusion, exploring American cuisine has been a delightful journey filled with flavors, diversity, and cultural richness. From coast to coast, the United States offers a vast array of iconic dishes that truly embody the spirit of this great nation. Throughout this blog post, We have uncovered some of the best American recipes, each with its own unique story and regional influence. From Southern comfort food like crispy fried chicken and fluffy biscuits to the hearty flavors of the Midwest with dishes like deep dish pizza and Kansas City-style barbecue, there is something for everyone to savor and enjoy. American cuisine is a melting pot of culinary traditions brought by immigrants from all corners of the globe. From Italian pasta dishes in New York to Mexican-inspired Tex-Mex cuisine in the Southwest, the blending of cultures has resulted in a vibrant and diverse food scene that is truly unparalleled. As you embark on your culinary journey through American cuisine, don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, make adaptations, and put your own twist on classic recipes. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, preparing a Thanksgiving feast, or simply looking to satisfy your cravings, there is no shortage of options to choose from. So go ahead, fire up the grill, whip up some homemade apple pie, or indulge in a plate of comforting mac and cheese. Let the flavors of America transport you to different states, each with its own culinary identity and story to tell. In the end, exploring American cuisine is more than just about the food itself. It's about celebrating the rich history, cultural diversity, and culinary legacy that has shaped this nation. So grab your apron, gather your loved ones, and embark on a delicious adventure through the best American recipes. Happy cooking and bon appétit! We hope you enjoyed our culinary journey through the United States and discovering some of the best American recipes. From coast to coast, we explored the diverse and delicious cuisine that this country has to offer. Whether you're craving Southern comfort food, New England seafood, or Tex-Mex flavors, we've got you covered. So grab your apron, fire up the stove, and get ready to taste the states in your own kitchen. We can't wait to see the mouth-watering dishes you create, and don't forget to share your culinary adventures with us.